Hello friends, I hope you are all doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Bytes. Today we are starting a complete LVGL tutorial series from scratch to advance, where we will design embedded GUI application on ILI9341 TFT LCD using ESP32 and Arduino. In today's session, we will first learn how to interface the ILI9341 display with ESP32 using Arduino and TFT_ESPI library. So let us get started step by step. Here is what we are working with: an ESP32 DevKit V1 board and an ILI9341 2.8-inch TFT LCD display. Now let us wire the TFT LCD to the ESP32 board step by step. First, connect the VCC pin of the LCD to the VIN pin of the ESP32 and connect the ground pin to the ground. Connect the chip select pin to the GPIO 15 and RST pin to the GPIO 4 and DC pin to the GPIO 2. For the SPI communication, connect the MOSI pin to the GPIO 23rd and CLK pin to the GPIO 18th. MISO pin to the GPIO 19th. Finally, connect the LED pin to the 3.3 volt. After completing these connection, double check and wiring before powering up the board. Okay. This is the Arduino IDE. First of all, we will install the TFT library. Go to the library manager and type here TFT_ESPI and hit the enter. This is right one is developed by Boardmer. Click here to download. It is downloading. Okay, library has been installed. Now we will test the example code. Go to the file and examples and TFT_ESPI and 230x240. Then click on TFT clock. Now TFT clock code will be open. This is TFT clock code. I will not change anything before uploading the code. Check the board and COM port. Here ESP32 DevKit V1 is selected and COM port 3 is selected. Click on OK. And now it is time to upload the code. Click on upload. Okay, code has been uploaded. Let us check the LCD. Press the reset button. Okay, LCD is not printing. Let us change something into TFT library. Go to the document directory, Arduino and libraries. Open TFT_ESPI. Let us open user_setup.h file in Notepad++. Here driver definition is correct and by default pins are selected for ESP8266 board. Let us comment it. Okay, it is commented. Next, here we have to uncomment the pin definition for ESP32 because of we are using ESP32. Now click on save. Now we have to define the LCD size. Okay, uncomment the LCD width to 40 and LCD height 320. Okay, now all necessary configuration is done. Now save and close. Now click on upload again. Code has been uploaded and you can see the LCD is working and analog clock is printing on LCD. Now it is like a simple watch project. Okay, and that's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next one.